Hey, how's it going? This is Ari from Arka, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect Arka to Google BigQuery. First, sign in. I'm just choosing Google, but you can use the other options. And then I'm going to sign in using my professional account or work account. And obviously I've been using Arka a bit, but the setup is pretty clean right now. The way that you connect Google BigQuery is you configure it as a data source, and then once you've gotten it as a data source, you can essentially ask questions of it. So the way to configure it as a data source is go to AI settings, which is the last one here, and then click on data source, and then have your first data source. So this one is, once you click on your first data source, you can see a few options here. We have many more, but for this use case, we're talking about these options. So make sure that you write the right project ID here. This is the most important setting. There's other ways to connect, but the easiest way right now is to use OAuth, just for you to connect quickly and get a sense of the platform. And then once you have used it and you want to share it with other people, service account keys and service account configurations are better options for more org-wide access. But for now, OAuth is perfectly fine. I picked the right project ID and then I connect with Google. So here it takes me to the login screen again. I pick the account that has access to Google and Google BigQuery, and then I just go through it. It's going to ask for permission to access data in BigQuery. So you click that, and then you've configured BigQuery. Now I will simply go to the new chat page, and then here you can see BigQuery showing up as a configured data source. Now you can say something like, are you connected to BigQuery? And if so, tell me about trips in FleetForge in the BigQuery data warehouse, right? So FleetForge is the data warehouse that we have configured in BigQuery, but in this case, you would replace it with whatever data warehouse you use today. Yeah. And when you submit this question, what Arka is doing is it's pulling the data sources that it has from the list of data sources, and then it is using the credentials that it has saved to connect to BigQuery. And now it's essentially analyzing the schema and going through a workflow to answer the question that you asked. Okay, and then now you can see that it created some charts as well for you to understand the data. And so this is a typical Arka response. It first reasons and thinks about the question. It gives you a really great summary of the data, and then finally create charts for you to visualize the data. And then you can obviously ask follow-up questions and have that conversation. Okay, that's it. That's really it. Thanks so much, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. Have fun.